Hey guys, welcome to Login Apps. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Monday account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Monday account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar, click over there and type in the address monday.com like this and hit on enter. Or you can just simply search for Monday account login like this on the search bar of your browser itself and hit on enter. And after that, on the search result you can see the monday.com's official site over here. Click over here, and this is the home page of Monday. You can see, and it will wait for this page to load. But on the second tab from the Google search result, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the login button available over here. In order to log into your Monday account, first you'll be required to click on the login. But if you have not yet created an account on Monday until now, you can click on the get started button available over here to go through a procedure to create an account on Monday. With that being said, and you can see guys, both of these pages are same. Since both of these pages are same, one was from the Google search result and one was from the direct web address itself. Let's go on these now. To log into your Monday account, again at the top right corner of the screen, let's click on the login button. And over here guys, this is the login page of the Monday. Either you can choose to log into your Monday account with your Google account over here. If you click on this Google button available over here, you'll be taken or redirected to a page to log into your Google account. And if you log into your Google account with your respective credentials, you'll be logged in or signed into your Monday account with your Gmail or your Google account. With that being said, enter your email address with which you have signed up for your Monday account. It can be a company account, an SSO account, or your normal email account itself. After entering your email address, click on next, and on the next page you'll be required to enter the password of your account. And after that, a sign in button will be shown to you. And after entering your email address and your password, simply click on that sign in button, and then you'll be able to sign into your Monday account from over here. And then guys, this is how you log into your Monday account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.